Alfawise U30 inherits all the wonderful features of U20. 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen. Operating is easy. The touchscreen offers you a higher level of real-time control. Select the files, edit the parameters, control the speed and temperature. Here's the power supply. It's impossible to touch it by accident and get an electric shock in case the printer is not grounded. It's safer for kids who play near it. What's more, building U30 is more exciting and challenging. It's a semi-assembled printer kit. You will be proud of yourself from the moment you finish the assembly. The screen can be installed on both sides. However, other 3D printers don't support this. That's great for the left-handed. They can operate more easily. Filament runout detection. When the filament reaches the end, U30 automatically stops and saves the project, giving you plenty of time to reload the filament. Power outage recovery. U30 records the printing process automatically, so you don't need to repeat a full print in case the power goes off. Complete every print without any difficulty.